So I have the pumpkin mix here, the pureed pumpkin, the condensed milk, nutmeg, ginger, cinnamon, and then eggs. So let's do the eggs first. Josh, want to help?
Sure.
Let's wait for Josh. 1 second. Let's mix this. And then I also need a measuring spoon. A teaspoon and half a teaspoon. And then this one too. The condensed milk. Ooh. The sweetened condensed milk. Just mixing this like ingredients together. So I have the eggs here, and then this, and then I just need to remove the plastic from here. Pumpkin pie, and then I'm going to make cornbread, and then the veggies, and then the turkey. The turkey is the one that will take the most time to cook. So this is, so I'm preheating the oven right now at like 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is going to cook for like about 45 minutes. So let's mix. I think Josh is taking forever. A teaspoon cinnamon, half a teaspoon ginger, and half a teaspoon nutmeg. These are like more of like autumn seasonings or flavors.
This is not, this is cinnamon.
A teaspoon of cinnamon. 1 second, we need to measure. Otherwise it will be like, oh my gosh,
A lot
super
of cinnamon.
cinnamony. And then half a teaspoon ginger, half a teaspoon nutmeg. Try it. Ooh, smells so good. Smell that?
Oh yeah.
Smells so good. Nutmeg smells so good. And then next would be the pureed. Oh,
How do I do it? Do I just
yeah. There you
Oh.
go. Be careful. The pureed,
put all of it in?
yeah. The pureed pumpkin.
That's a lot.
Maybe a muffin. A pumpkin muffin, right?
Yes.
And then now this milk. Give me a second. Oops. I'm going to harvest some herbs and lemons for our turkey. We have the rosemary there, and then the thyme over there. We don't have sage. Sage would be good to have, but our sage died. So here is thyme, and then that is rosemary, and then lemons over there. And we have a lemon tree there, and then a lemon tree here too. So I think there are some that are like ready. It's fall. Look at this blueberry bush. The leaves are turning yellow and then red. And here's my harvest. The rosemary, lemons, and thyme, and calamansi.
Where is the turkey? Here is a turkey.
Here's our
Turkey.
butter ball turkey. Josh, what is the concoction that you are doing? Josh is doing a concoction.
It's an plus calorie C concoction.
Okay.
It'll be a very healthy drink.
This one.
I think
Josh got this because he would like to make like his own like, concoction. Anyway, I am going to melt a stick of butter to rub our turkey. And then I'm going to add salt and the herbs. We have the rosemary and then the rosemary and then the thyme from the backyard garden. And here's our turkey. I need to put aluminum foil on the wings so it doesn't get burned. Then on to our 375 degree preheated oven for about, look at our turkey. Now let's make the cornbread. So for the cornbread, we need the mix and then 1.5 cups of water. Here we go onto the oven where the turkey is baking. It's roasting. Let's use this cowboy seasoning. Let's try. And put in the same oven where we have the cornbread and then the turkey. Let's look at the situation there. Of the turkey baking and then they have the cornbread, sweet potatoes here. Beautiful. It's 180. Perfect. And here's our turkey. Now time to garnish this or make it festive. There, put the apple there.
Where do I put the apple? In here?
Yeah.
Okay. Like how?
Let's put this one first. The rosemary. So it has like green stuff.
Oh, do I put the apple like right here?
Yes.
Ooh.
Put the oranges here. You put the apple here. Let's put one apple here. And then another apple on this side. And then more apple here. And then the green one. Then the orange. And then we have another orange here. And we have one more orange. Put one more orange here. There you go, look. So here's our Thanksgiving turkey. And for the wine, we're having Chandon. Or like we're having champagne. Let's do this like Chandon from Napa. Garden Spritz. Here's our Thanksgiving dinner. We have the turkey, the green bean stuffing casserole, the cranberry, the sweet potatoes and then the cornbread, and the pumpkin pie. Pop the champagne.
Go for it, Mom.
Why are you guys smiling? What's funny, guys?
Color. Yeah.
It has to be all from you because
Right
it's
there.
huh?
Pointed there.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh! Happy Thanksgiving!
There you go. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Happy
Happy
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Ah,
Yummy.
good.
So,
Cheers to you, viewer.
Yes.
yeah. I see your plate, Josh.
So right here we have stuffing, turkey, cornbread, jelly, and potatoes and carrot.
Yum yum. And the gravy. Forgot the gravy. Wow, Josh, are you having the turkey leg? That's huge. How is it?
It's good.
Good?
And I'll have one of the wings.
It's crazy to think chickens were like. It's crazy to think dinosaurs evolved into chickens.
Yeah, right? That's right. From a huge one to like a very... What, the turkey is big too. Hi, Josh.
Hi.
And you helped put up the Christmas tree, right?